food and shelter. When once he gets the food and shelter, he starts thinking not only for today but for tomorrow. That is what is called as security. That is the reason we go for LICs or provident funds. Tomorrow. All right, tomorrow also you get it. But that doesn't make the man happy, it seems. What the next stage he ascends or he goes to is, all right, I have got money, I have got something like this, but when I walk on the road, people ask me, who are you? So I need to tell them I belong to something. I belong to medicine, I belong to railways, I belong to bank, I belong to this, I belong to that. So there is some kind of belonging. I belong to a university, I belong to an institute, like that. All right, after belonging also you get. He doesn't feel happy there also. What is that? Let us say somebody joins in the university as a lecturer. He sees the next fellow who is an assistant professor. When do I become like him? An associate, when do I become like him? So they want to see not only belonging, wants to look for status. All right, you have given a status also. But finally, the man looks to get into what is called as a top. Become a director, to become as a managing director or a chairman or something. All right, one day you get an order as a chairman or a director. You go to your office and you are about to sit. You know what the chair says? I have seen 100 fellows like you before. But the real chairman who is going to sit in the chair says, my dear chair, remember, when I leave, you will remember me. That is called as fulfillment. I hope Shravan does that. Behind all our endeavors, remember there is what is called as fulfillment. Andariki vardhakyam vastundi gaani sarthakyam radanడి జీవితంలో. Entirely different concept one should think about the life. Because you know, the more intelligent you become, actually JCs, I always used to say joy sees. They see joy in everything. Instead of seeing joy, if you start looking at misery, then the problem wherever we are, we continue to be miserable. The greatest thing that is required and everything, if you ask me honestly, you must always look into how do I make myself happy and try to lead a life which is happy. I'll tell you one thing. A patient who underwent a bypass, he was a senior accountant general in AG's office. I knew him very well. After that, he had a successful bypass, everything was over. He was about to be discharged. He came to my office and everything. So we were talking. Dr. Garu, nenu discharge వెళ్తున్నానండి, మీ సలహాలు ఏమిటండి? I don't know whether you understand Telugu. Okay, I'll tell in English. What is your advice, sir? I said, what is there? You had a wonderful bypass and everything, you have recovered well, you have become almost very young like this. Only thing is, try to eat less salt, less sugar, and try to have little walking, less of carbohydrate, rice and everything like this, and therefore less of even pepper also, all these things, less of ghee. And at the end, you know what he said? అసలు ఎందుకు బతకాలి డాక్టర్ గారు? Why should I live, he asked. I said, you are asking a question. You must ask within yourself, not to me, because I can only say how to live, but I myself don't know what for one should live. I myself can't say why I should live. It is only to be defined by one's own self. No one says this is the way of life. No one should say that this you should do it. But only thing is, one has to decide how to lead their own life, their own fulfillment, their own happiness. If that is the case, one of the fundamental things in your oath, all through I was watching, one of the important words, I don't know whether you have seen, I must be a living example. What is meant by living example? You know, there is a beautiful word, there are two words I always say in English language, individual and universe. Universe, in spite of so many planets, so many things, it is not diverse. It is only one. When you say individual, who is not a dual? Dual means, oh, sir, you are a wonderful person, and inside saying he is a stupid fellow. Talk something else, behave something else. This has become the order of the day today. Actually, if you want to lead by example means, what you speak, what you think, what you do should be in total harmony. I know my physiology professor, almost 1.5 hours, he gave a talk on smoking. How smoking affects the heart, how smoking affects the muscles, how the smoking produces cancer for 1.5 hours. In one supermarket, I found him smoking. I was so innocent, possibly you may call I was stupid also. Master Garu, sir, you told me about smoking, why are you smoking? That is all for you, not for me. That means what you speak, you don't live. Then as a result of which, you cannot call yourself as a leader. You know Neta, how the word has come? From Nita, Niti, Neta. This is how the word or the root of Neta has come. Nobody can be a Neta without a Niti, without a Nita. If you are not having any kind of control of your own thinking process and everything, and if you are not righteous, how can you be a Neta? That is the crisis of India today. You know, it seems Bush, Putin and Manmohan Singh went to God with the 3 desires. And God asked Bush, what do you want? I want to see America to continue to be great and prosperous and wonderful. And God smiled and said, not during your regime. And Putin asked, I want to see Russia go back to the past glory and become one of the strongest in the world. And God said, not during your regime. And he asked Manmohan Singh, it seems, what do you want? I want to see India is one of the top countries in the world. He said, not during my regime. That means we have become into irreversible destruction. At least JCs like that should really rise to the occasion. And in fact, while you are doing any number of projects, because it is directed towards the youth, you have a lot of responsibility towards today's youth. Violence is in youth. Crime is in the youth. The vulgarity is in the youth. Indiscipline is in the youth. If you take anything, it's all in the youth. Why don't you focus? Now Lions have got a project of looking after the youth. And you are the people of trainers. The people articulate very well, but they don't behave very well. I really love to see JCs have got a project to make model and role models. That's what some kind of structured program, I love to see that you all do it. And the greater than that and the most, I should not be taking long time. Usually I hate to speak on 2 times. One is before food and second is after food. Both are dangerous periods. One, when you are hungry, you can't listen, and after that you sleep. So both are dangerous periods. But anyway, you have given me the platform. So my humble request is, you be knowledgeable and skillful in doing your profession. You be knowledgeable and skillful. Maybe in medicine, maybe in engineering, maybe. Be absolutely knowledgeable and skillful. But outside when you come, keep the knowledge separate. Do not take the knowledge as a burden. Why I am saying this is, it seems in Israel, a town is full of educated people, all PhD scholars and everything, a town. There was a church there. And in the church what is happening is, on the Sunday morning prayer, the priest was about to start the prayer. When he started the prayer, half